Hold on tight. I've got you.
I'm so scared.
This way, stay close!
He's scared! I'm here, the dog is scared.
Almost there, hold on! Hold still, almost done. Okay, now mine. Ready?
Yes.
In the elevator. Wow! Wow, this jungle is incredible.
It's so lush and beautiful.
Look how the dog explores. Okay, axe first.
Water bottle, that's essential.
Foil blanket next.
And the first aid kit.
Thank you.
Of course. Husky, wait, come back!
Husky, where are you going?
Husky! Oh wow, look at that!
He brought us fish!
You're amazing! It's catching!
Just a little more.
It's beautiful.
Look, coconut palm trees.
They're beautiful. You're doing great. Keep going. Almost there. You're so strong.
Here they come! So refreshing.
Ah, pure bliss.
Good boy.
This corner looks good.
Okay, pressing it in.
Now the next one, to the right.
Got it. This one's even.
Perfect. Next one.
Almost there.
It's growing fast.
That one's square.
Perfect. Next one.
On it.
Pile's looking good.
Easy now. Line it up.
I've got it. Ready?
Perfect. That's the first one.
This one fits well.
Good. Next log.
Look, the husky's exploring.
Almost there.
Steady, I've got it.
Okay, lowering.
Perfect. It's secure. This is so peaceful.
It really is. Just us.
And our little explorer. Last one.
Perfect. Bags ready.
Time to head back.
Let's go. He's back!
And he's brought us a fresh fish again.
Oh my gosh, he's so proud.
Yes, good boy. Good find. Keep it coming.
This will make a great fire.
Good boy.
Yes, clever helper.
There you go, buddy. Enjoy your reward.
Look at him go. So happy.
He's earned it. Good boy.
Oh, best dog ever. Look at the sky. The clouds are gathering so fast.
Yeah, and the dog's alert. A storm's coming.
We should get ready.
Wind's picking up fast. Grab the tools.
Got the ropes? Let's get inside.
Good. The dog's with us. There's the drip.
Here, use these.
Got it.
Perfect fix.
Look at that Milky Way.
It's so clear tonight.
And there's Orion.
Wow. So peaceful here with you.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh, look, he's back.
With another fish. What a hunter.
Good boy.
Yes, such a proud boy. This is perfect.
I know. So peaceful.
And he's happy too.
Perfect. You're doing great. Keep going.
Almost there.
Yes, you're almost at the top.
This one's perfect. Strong?
Yes, and flexible too.
We'll need 5 more.
Perfect for the raft. This bamboo is perfect for the base,
Yes, let's measure the width for the frame.
and the bow should be curved.
It floats.
Yes! All right.